Hey guys, it's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, up. If you're not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the end of this video. For everyone who've already purchased my Speechless Hair Growth Blend, I hope that you're all making great progress, and please don't hesitate to send me a photograph of your natural hair if you need any hair care tips or advice whilst using my product. So before I start my tutorial, I just wanted to give you guys a quick flashback on my son's hair journey. We started his hair journey 3 months ago. This was the first video I made with him. And in this video, his hair was at a wavelength. I couldn't do anything with it other than coils at this point. And then a week later, I moved on to the elastic band process. So what the elastic band does is grip the hair at the roots, which allows my Speechless Hair Growth Blend to penetrate through the scalp at a faster speed. So after the elastic band method, his hair was ready for box braids, which was the third stage of his hair journey. But if you would like to see the full videos and dates of his hair journey, I will leave the link in the description box below so you guys can go and check that out after this video. Anyways, as you all know, he started his hair journey with less than 1 centimeter only 3 months ago. And now we're at 3 inches, which is really amazing. So if you haven't yet purchased your Speechless Hair Growth Blend, I will leave the link below for you to go and make your purchase. Up.